Okay, guys, so we left off the other day. I did one line of text, and you know, it was a lot of work, I'll be honest. It was, but it's worth it. It looks good. It looks really, I feel like it looks really good now. It's exactly what I wanted. And just to review what we did, we went to Word, uh, put the lyrics from the internet into Word, and then I copy and pasted them from Word. And in the Word, you could edit them if you wanted. Uh, that's why I put them in Word in the first place, is that I was able to make the text look good and get out any of the little spaces and whatever that I copied from the internet. And then copied and pasted that right into Medibang as text, and then copy and pasted that to make it its own layer, its own pixeled layer that I then went up and did the deal, select, mesh transform, and then began bending it around. It was a lot of work to bend that thing around. To do the other side, I'm going to cheat, and I'm just going to mirror that. So see that guy right there? That's the one side I did. I'm just going to copy it. So Control C, Control V, and now I'm going to mirror that one, Control T, and just say flip. There it is. And hit OK. And now I'm going to use my move tool and just move that guy on over to the other side. There it is, right there. Almost a perfect fit. Close, not quite. Maybe stretch that thing a little bit. Do the mesh transform. Why not? Get that thing perfect. And remember, when you're doing this, you want just the one row, but a bunch of columns. I did like 12 columns on mine. And then you can really get that just right. There you go. Scoot that on over. I'm not gonna spend forever on this because I know I spent a lot of time. The funny thing though, when you mirror it, of course, is that it's backward, but that's kind of fun anyway. Kind of fun. Anyway, there we go. We're done. I'm done with the text. So what's next? I had those two little hearts, and I had some other lyrics that were inside. And the lyrics that were inside those two little hearts were the chorus, all you need is love, all you need is love. And that's why I had a couple of them. So what I'm going to do next is bring another heart in, the same original heart. So I'm just going to go File, Open Image as a Layer, and it's the same one. Okay, and this guy, I need to get rid of the white around it, so I am going to do my magic wand selection on that. Click on it. Whoops, not reference. Reference needs to be on layer only. I'm going to click next to it so you can see I got that. I'm going to bump up the tolerance so I really get all the white. Let's see if I can get that now. There we go. Perfect. And then I'll just hit delete. Okay, so now it is truly just the heart itself. And you can see as I move it over around, it's just the heart. The white background is gone. And before I put the text on that, I want to do a soft outline around it. There's a couple ways to do this, and let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to move the heart over here, and I wanted to do a soft white outline around the heart so that it kind of stands out on top of this one, right? And I'll make a new layer and I'll put it underneath that one. And all I'm saying is just go to the brush tool and choose airbrush and the color white, that's what I'm using. And just something like this, right? Where it's just like that. That's all I'm trying to do. Just like that. Just to make it pop a little bit, right? From the background. So, and you can, the more you do it, the more it's gonna be darker. And yeah, so that's the look I was after. Okay. And now I'm going to put the text on that layer. So I'm going to go to my text button and type right here. And the text that it just repeats, it's just all you need is love. All you need is love. Love is all you need, right? So all you need. And let me get that the right size here. So maybe 18? Okay, maybe 24? Okay, all you need is, and I'll hit return, love. Gosh, I can't spell today. So I think I'll put a return under that, and then I want to have this all justified center. So I'm going to select it all and say center text. So that's important, right? Center text on the I don't know if you guys can see that on the spacing there. And I'm going to hit OK. And then I will move that into position a little better. Perfect. All you need is love. Love is all you need. Okay, and then and because that lyric repeats, I'm going to have it here twice. So I'm going to select both of these layers, or all three of these layers, including the one with the white behind it. And I'm going to join those layers. You guys remember how to do that? You just, actually, you don't have to select them all. You just hit merge down. So with the top one selected, which one of these buttons is it? This one right here? Yeah, the one right next to the trash can, merge layer. So you just hit that one. And you have to have them both selected. Oh, that's interesting. It's that's weird. So it won't merge. I didn't know that. It won't merge the text with the layer beneath it. Look at that. When I click the merge layer, nothing happens because it's not rasterized, because it's text and it's not pixels. So okay, now I've learned something. So you're gonna have to just copy that. You're gonna have to, or I'm gonna have to Control C, Control V, make a duplicate of that, and then, and that duplicate is probably over here somewhere. Yeah, there it is right there. And then I can turn this one off, put the duplicate on that, and that one will merge, right? So then when I hit merge layer, it'll merge to the heart. Let's see if it works. Boom, yes, there it is. So now this is all one thing, right? And I can just copy that, Control C, Control V, and drag the copy off here, which was what I wanted to do. So there's the original one, and then my copy here. All you need is love. Love is all you need. And then that, it just kind of repeats in the song. In fact, I could do another one if I wanted. Just have it keep going. But I think 2 is enough. So I think that'll do it.